Chapter 24, Rates and Slopes. Plot the points with coordinates -5, -3, -3, -1, 0, 2, 2, 4, 3, 5. 3, 3, 5, 2, 4, 0, 2, -3, -1, -5, -3, that's -5 right here. And did you note that the ordinate, the y value, is always 2 more than the abscissa? Did you know that the y value is always 2 more, 2 more, 2 more, 2 more, 2 more than the x value? Now, isn't that interesting? So y is always x plus 2, where x can be any real number. Or y can be any real number, and then x is y minus 2. Consider the points 1, 3, 1.1, 3.1 on the line, and then midway between these 2 points, you have 1.05 and 3.05. Okay? 1.1, 3.1, and the midpoint, 1.05. The midpoint of that, 1.025. The midpoint of that, 1.125. What I'm trying to tell you is that you have a point here and a point here. You can find the midpoint. This point and that point, you can find the midpoint. This point, that point, the midpoint. This point, that point, the midpoint. So using 1.0 and 3.0 as the base point, and the next point on the line, you have a difference between the two, you can find the midpoint. The points get closer and closer and closer together. This process will never terminate because there's always a distance between a point and the midpoint of 2 other points. We can repeat this process over and over again. Thus we can identify and plot infinitely many points with rational as well as irrational abscissas. And every x value has a y value that is x plus 2. There are infinitely many such points. All these points strung together give you what we are going to call a line. So a line has infinitely many points.